In this video, we're diving into the world of 18 secret Toyota brand's car features you don't know about. Once you know them, they can definitely save you thousands of money. Do you get tired of surprise repair bills hitting your wallet? Have you ever been stranded with a flat or dead battery and paid a fortune for help? Are you paying for apps or gadgets just to track fuel use and maintenance? Meanwhile, Toyota might already do all that for free. Whether you are a long-time Toyota owner or considering your first purchase, you will want to stick around as we unveil these secrets that can help save you money in the long run. Save money by not skipping. Let's get started. Number 18. Hidden fuel efficiency settings. One of the best kept secrets in Toyota vehicles is the hidden fuel efficiency settings that can help you save money at the pump. Optimizing these settings can significantly enhance your vehicle's miles per gallon. To access them, start by turning on your ignition without starting the engine. Next, navigate to the settings menu on your dashboard display. Look for the Eco Mode option and activate it. This mode adjusts throttle response and optimizes air conditioning use, leading to better fuel efficiency. By utilizing these settings, you could potentially save hundreds of dollars annually on fuel costs. Number 17. Maintenance reminders. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your Toyota vehicle, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Toyota's built-in maintenance reminders help owners stay on top of service schedules, alerting you when it's time for an oil change, tire rotation, or other essential services. By addressing these reminders promptly, you can prevent costly repairs down the line. Models like the Camry, RAV4, and Corolla come equipped with this handy feature, making it easier than ever to keep your car in top shape and save money in the long run. Number 16. Toyota Safety Sense. The Toyota Safety Sense package is designed to enhance driver awareness and prevent accidents, ultimately saving you money on repairs and insurance costs. This comprehensive suite includes features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. By reducing the likelihood of accidents, these safety features can lead to lower insurance premiums, making your Toyota not just a safe choice, but a cost-effective one as well. Models such as the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Corolla come equipped with this essential package, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Number 15. Resale value insights. Toyota vehicles are renowned for their high resale value, a testament to their reliability and durability. Factors that affect resale value include brand reputation, vehicle condition, and demand in the used car market. Toyota's commitment to quality engineering and dependable performance contributes significantly to its strong resale figures. For instance, models like the Toyota Camry and RAV4 consistently rank among the top in resale value, with statistics showing they retain around 60% of their original value after 5 years. Investing in a Toyota not only offers immediate benefits, but also pays off in the long run. Number 14. Eco Mode. Eco Mode is a fantastic feature in Toyota vehicles that optimizes performance for better fuel savings. When activated, this mode adjusts throttle response and limits power output, allowing for a smoother, more efficient driving experience. It's particularly beneficial in city driving scenarios where frequent stops and starts can drain fuel quickly. For example, during your daily commute or while running errands, Eco Mode helps you maximize every drop of gas. By using Eco Mode regularly, you not only enhance your vehicle's efficiency but also contribute to a greener environment. So, next time you hit the road, don't forget to switch it on. Number 13. Tire pressure monitoring system. The tire pressure monitoring system is a vital feature in Toyota vehicles that helps prevent tire wear and enhances safety on the road. Maintaining proper tire pressure not only improves fuel efficiency, but also extends the life of your tires. Underinflated tires can lead to increased rolling resistance, resulting in higher fuel costs and a greater risk of blowouts. By alerting drivers to low tire pressure, TPMS helps mitigate these issues. Models like the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Corolla come with TPMS as standard, ensuring you stay informed and safe while driving. Number 12. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is a remarkable feature in Toyota vehicles that enhances driving comfort and efficiency, especially on long trips. This system automatically adjusts your vehicle's speed to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead, allowing for a more relaxed driving experience. By optimizing speed and reducing unnecessary acceleration and braking, adaptive cruise control can lead to significant fuel savings during long-distance travel. Models such as the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Highlander come equipped with this feature, making your journeys not only more enjoyable but also more economical for fuel consumption. Number 11. Remote Start. The remote start feature in Toyota vehicles offers incredible convenience and cost-saving benefits, especially during extreme weather conditions. With just a push of a button, you can start your car from a distance, allowing it to warm up or cool down before you even step inside. This not only enhances your comfort but also helps with climate control, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling while driving. By preconditioning your vehicle, you can save fuel during harsh weather. Models like the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Tacoma come equipped with this handy feature, making every drive more enjoyable. Number 10. Toyota App Integration. The Toyota app is a powerful tool that helps owners manage their vehicles and save money. With features like service scheduling and fuel tracking, you can easily keep tabs on maintenance needs and monitor your fuel consumption. This integration enhances the ownership experience by providing real-time updates and reminders, ensuring you never miss an important service. Additionally, the app allows you to locate nearby gas stations and compare fuel prices, further optimizing your expenses. Models such as the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Highlander are compatible with the Toyota app, making vehicle management seamless and efficient. Number 9. Warranty Coverage. Toyota offers comprehensive warranty coverage that can significantly save you money on repairs. The standard warranty typically includes a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, providing peace of mind for new car owners. Additionally, Toyota offers extended warranty options, allowing you to further protect your investment. Having a solid warranty is crucial in reducing out-of-pocket expenses for unexpected repairs, ensuring you are covered for a variety of issues. Models like the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Tacoma come with exceptional warranty coverage, making them reliable choices for budget-conscious drivers. Number 8. Hybrid Technology. Toyota's hybrid technology is designed to maximize fuel efficiency while minimizing emissions, offering significant cost-saving benefits for drivers. Hybrid systems combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, allowing the vehicle to switch between power sources for optimal performance. This innovative approach can lead to substantial savings on fuel over time, especially for those who frequently drive in urban settings. Popular hybrid models like the Toyota Prius, Camry hybrids, and RAV4 hybrid feature advanced technology that enhances efficiency and reduces fuel costs. By choosing a Toyota hybrid, you can enjoy a greener driving experience without breaking the bank. Number 7. Roadside Assistance. Toyota's Roadside Assistance Program offers invaluable benefits that can save you money during emergencies. This program typically includes services such as towing, flat tire changes, fuel delivery, and lockout assistance, ensuring you're never stranded. Knowing that help is just a phone call away provides peace of mind to owners, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. Coverage duration varies by model, with many new Toyotas offering roadside assistance for up to 2 years or 25,000 miles. This added layer of security not only enhances your driving experience, but also protects you from unexpected expenses. Number 6. Smart Key System. The Smart Key system in Toyota vehicles offers both convenience and enhanced security for drivers. This innovative technology allows you to unlock and start your car without removing the key fob from your pocket or bag, saving you time and hassle, especially when your hands are full. Additionally, the Smart Key system enhances security by using advanced encryption to prevent unauthorized access, making it harder for thieves to break in. Models such as the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Highlander come equipped with this feature, ensuring a seamless and secure driving experience for all owners. Number 5. All-wheel drive options. Toyota's all-wheel drive options provide significant advantages for both safety and performance, especially in challenging driving conditions. AWD enhances traction and stability, allowing drivers to navigate rain, snow, or rough terrain with confidence, ultimately improving overall driving safety. Additionally, by distributing power to all four wheels, AWD can help reduce tire wear and extend the lifespan of your tires, leading to potential savings on maintenance costs. Models such as the Toyota RAV4 Highlander offer AWD capabilities, making them excellent choices for those seeking enhanced performance and safety on the road. Number 4. Interior space optimization. Toyota's thoughtful design philosophy focuses on maximizing interior space, ensuring comfort and utility for all passengers. Spacious interiors are particularly beneficial for families, providing ample room for children, pets, and cargo during road trips or daily commutes. By optimizing space, Toyota vehicles can often reduce the need for additional vehicles, making them a practical choice for busy households. Models like the Toyota Highlander, Sienna, and RAV4 are known for their generous interior space, featuring versatile seating configurations and storage solutions that cater to various lifestyles, enhancing the overall driving experience for families on the go. Number 3. Advanced navigation systems. Toyota's advanced navigation systems offer significant cost-saving benefits by helping drivers reduce travel time and fuel costs. These systems provide real-time traffic updates, allowing you to avoid congested routes and find the quickest paths to your destination. By minimizing delays, you can save on fuel expenses and make the most of your time on the road. Models such as the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Avalon come equipped with these sophisticated navigation features, ensuring you have the tools needed for efficient travel. With Toyota's navigation systems, you can enjoy a smoother, more economical driving experience. Number 2. Multi-information display. The multi-information display in Toyota vehicles is a powerful tool that provides real-time data on your vehicle's performance. This feature shows essential information such as fuel efficiency, tire pressure, and trip statistics, allowing you to stay informed while driving. By regularly monitoring this data, you can develop better driving habits, such as adjusting your speed or reducing idling time, which can significantly enhance your vehicle's efficiency. Improved driving habits not only contribute to a smoother ride, but can also lead to potential savings on fuel costs. Over time, make the most of the multi-information display to optimize your driving experience. Number 1. Vehicle Health Report. The Vehicle Health Report feature in Toyota vehicles is an invaluable tool that provides insights into your car's overall condition. This system regularly monitors key components and systems, alerting you to any potential issues before they escalate. By addressing these concerns early, you can prevent minor problems from turning into costly repairs down the line. Regularly reviewing your vehicle health report not only helps maintain your vehicle's performance, but also ensures your safety on the road. Ultimately, stay proactive with this feature can lead to significant savings, making it a smart choice for any Toyota owner looking to protect their investment. After introducing 18 secret Toyota BrandCar features you don't know about, which one caught your attention? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.